Ah, finally, the last day of school is over. 6 weeks off. Man, I could just absolutely chill and rest. Wait. Oh no 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 no. The GMTK Jam starts in 12 minutes. Finally, for the first time, I'm actually going to do a game jam on time. By the way, fun fact, right now I was literally just editing the Geo Jam video. So, yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yeah, wait a minute. Literally just, yeah. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I have to wait one more minute? Let's go!
Roll of the dice.
Okay, currently I have no idea, idiot. So yeah, we are participating to GMTK Game Jam, one of the largest game jams ever existed. So yeah, the theme is a bit weird, but my brain is much weirder. Let's do it, people. So as usual, I started by just dropping some ideas down, and eventually I actually came up with a bunch of cool ideas. So the first idea is that you have a dice and you have to set its speed, rotation and stuff so that it lands on a specific number. And if it does, you get some points, and if it doesn't, well, you lose all of your points, and the cycle continues. Also, at the start, we give the player two options. One of them is more risky but has more points, and the other is less risky but also gives you less points. So that was the first idea. The second one is just a normal FPS game between a guy and a bunch of cube dudes, but there's a twist in the game's mechanic. Whenever you kill the cube dudes, you get either some health or some ammo, but the amount of it is determined by two dices that are thrown/rolled. And the third idea, it was a bit dumb and it totally changed at the end, so I'm gonna explain it later. Now again, I realize I don't have the cognitive ability to select one of the ideas because I'm dumb, so yeah. We're gonna make 3 games in 48 hours. Please send help. Let's do it, people. Alright, so now the dice can roll and find out what is the final result, but currently it just prints the face that is touching the ground. So the main mechanic of the game is now finished, we just need to apply it to the actual game. So the player should be able to choose 2 different options, set the rolling factors of the dice, and get or lose some points based on the result. And cycle the same thing over and over. So yeah. First game is finished, people. It is kind of cool and minimal, But I think the other two games that I made are far more interesting. So, yeah. But before moving to the second game, let's put this game on itch and submit it to the jam. After watching other people streaming and making their game and wasting my time. Why would I watch others stream when I have my own submission? I'm so dumb. Yeah, sorry, let's put the game on itch. Done. So the game, or should I say dice challenge, is now submitted to the jam, and go rate it, people. I mean, rate it fairly, but just saying, this game is such a masterpiece. Yeah. Anyways, the first game is finished, which I'm very happy about it, but it kind of took 24 hours of the jam, so yeah. But you know, I'm a Mrs. J, you are you, and you know, we can't really do anything about it. So as I said, the second game is a shooting game, but it has a twist on its game mechanic. So yeah, let's make a shooting game first. Okay, so now we have a little environment, a bit empty, but yeah. Also, I made this little star generator. Wait. And just like that, with that little coding and maybe, just maybe a bit more programming and maths and trial and error, it now makes some stars that are plotted on stick. So yeah. And also we have an FPS controller and, well, I gotta be honest, I just got that from Unity Asset Store and, well, it. But what I didn't yoink was a little player script that currently has an almost finished working shooting system, and we have some amazing bullets. I also added two types of enemy. One of them is just an annoying green dude that chases you really quickly, and if it hits you, it applies damage, and it never dies. And the other one is a red dude that dies, and it shoots the player if it's close to it. But right now, there is no health and damage and all that, so yeah. And the red enemy can't shoot. They're kind of like hockey pucks right now. Alright, let's continue working. And done. Yeah, it's finished and submitted, so go and rate it now, people. Only about a day left. Or if you're watching after the jam's voting, just go and play it and have fun. Yeah. So the game is finished, and who knows how much time I wasted in all of that. The game turned pretty epic and cool though, and hell yeah, we have plenty of time. We have a bit less than 4 hours left. Now that's what I call emergency. So as I said earlier, my third idea that I came at the start of the jam was really stupid and yeah. But thankfully, when I was making the second game, I kind of came up with an actually interesting idea for the third game. So there's a dice that you can rotate it to its other places, and there are other dice coming towards it, and you have to match the front number of your dice with the dice coming towards your dice. If you don't, you lose. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But we're running out of time and, you know, stress and all that, and, you know, stress equals bad, but stress plus idiot equals disaster. That's how maths works. So, yeah. And you know what's the best thing to do when you're in a game jam and running out of time and almost having a heart attack because of stress? Waste some time. Yeah. Look, I'm not even joking. I actually watched some live streams of other people working, and some YouTube shorts about Minecraft. Yeah. Anyways, here we go. Woo! That game is done, people. It was kind of stressful, especially at the start, because there were some problems that were really frustrating. But we did it, people. It's now submit, and it's called SideMatch. Definitely didn't inspire from any other game. Oh, come on, just go and download my game SideCatch on Google Play or App Store. Come on, man, I know you want to do it. Anyway, so 3 games are submit, and we're done, right? No. There's only Windows Book currently, but I thought we should not ditch Apple, because Apple's rights. Yeah. So I have to transfer these 3 Unity projects to my Mac. All of these in less than an hour. Cool. Done. I did some silly mistakes. It literally died at the end of the jam, and loads of other stuff, but it's now calm. Both Windows and Mac builds are uploaded. Cool. So yeah, we did it, people. We made 3 games for 1 game jam in 48 hours. There were lots of ups and downs, problems, bugs, wasted time, and blah blah blah, but it's now all over. The games did kind of good, but we need more ratings, so if the ratings aren't over yet, please go and rate these 3 games if you can. Now the first game was good, but it was a bit weird and dumb. And also, this guy literally just mathematically proved that the 2 options feature that we added has no point. I'm dumb, you know. But the second and third game were kind of good. They had a few bugs, but for a game jam, I guess they're pretty good. Especially the second one. I'm actually converting it into an actual game. Smash like if you want to see more of that. Also smash like if you want to see more of these game jam challenges and game content in general. Anyways, study, sleep, slide, smash the keyboard, amount people, traveling abroad. Not really, but yeah. See you in the next one, people.
Bruh.